Michael Swartzen here, and I just got my shipment in from PHG Shop, and I'm really, really excited because this is something that's going to start earning me and my family income very easily, very simply, and I can't wait to open it up and show you exactly how. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Like I said, I'm excited. I've been waiting for this, so. All right, let's see what we have here. We have two simple things here. And let's see what we got, and I'll show you what it is. Right here. Let's go out this side there. There we go. There we go. Woo! I'm really excited about this. Uh-oh. Let's see that. Look at that. Oh, we got some instructions in here. All right. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yes. There it is. This is a car sticker that I am going to put on the back of my truck. And anywhere and everywhere I go, it is going to get me leads into my business. It's get paid up to $500 or more per month. Just stick this sign on your ride. So there's going to be a QR code here, which I will show you. That's what's in this one here. Let me open this up here. Pull this out. It's still in there. All right, and there it is. There's the QR code. So this little decal will go right there onto the sticker. So, and I want to let you know that if you would like to get your own sticker, will actually send it to you for free, and it'll give you an opportunity to stick it on your car, and you can get paid and make up to $500 or more per month by just sticking this on your car and driving around where you regularly go. Okay. And let me give you a short testimonial from my friend and mentor, Kevin Souza, who put his sticker on his car. And he goes to breakfast at McDonald's every morning. He's a regular there. And he pulled into the parking lot, and he actually had three people within the time of him getting out of his car and getting into McDonald's that scanned his QR code. One guy came up and asked, "What's this about?" He said, "Scan the QR card." So he took out his phone and he scanned it. Then another gentleman saw what he was doing and he was like, "Well, what are you taking a picture of?" So he pulled out his phone and scanned the QR code. And then at the same time, the manager from the McDonald's came walking out, and she knows him because, again, he's a regular. He said, "Mr. Souza, what are you doing? What's going on?" And so he goes, "Well, do you have your camera or your phone?" And so she took out her phone and took a picture of the QR code herself. So within 2 to 3 minutes, probably, there was three people who took the picture of his QR code. So does magnetic marketing work? Yes, it does. That's why I'm so excited about getting this. And I'm going to put it on my truck right now, and then I'll show you the results of it on my truck. Okay, so if you want your free sticker, we will send it to you for free. Just go ahead and click the link in the description or in the bio, and we'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, so I put the sticker on the truck and it looks awesome. Let me show it to you. And there it is. That looks sweet. I think it looks good, really good. So now when I'm driving around anywhere I go, it's going to have people
scan the QR code, take a look and see how they can make $500 a month or more themselves, and they will go through that and see how they can get their own sticker as well. So if you want to do the same, like I mentioned before, just look for that link in the description or in the bio, and we can get you set up with yours as well. All right, you have a good day. See you in the next video.